Hey guys, 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜𝐤𝐼𝐻 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, this is going to be an Infinity Processing System review. But what I'm going to talk about in this video is how you can really make money online, the truth about making money online, and what you really need to know as an affiliate marketer. What prompted me to make this video is one of my former students. I say former, but she's always going to be my student, Nene. She made a post on Facebook about getting making $150 off of a Facebook post, and I want to share some lessons that she learned in her affiliate marketing business that was able to help her learn, and that she's amazing. That I was able to help her learn, and I want to share with you so that you can grow your income and making money online as affiliate marketer. So she made this post. I'm going to read it real quick. She said, "A large engagement doesn't always equal sales. Create content with your audience in mind. During your strategy call, listen more than you speak. Don't force your main solution when it's not congruent with what the prospect wants because you want to earn more. It's not about you, it's about the other person. These are real people with issues. Develop tangible skills that will make you money. When 90% say no to your main offer, balance your business books. Get front end profit by flipping skills to cash." Okay, keep that in mind. "Pray for God's help that you may offer the right solutions." And she said, "Thank you, 𝐂𝐥𝐢𝐜𝐤𝐼𝐻, for teaching me," that's me, "how to flip affiliate skills to cash." Okay, these are some of the things that I was able to teach Nene years ago when she was a student with me in another offer. I taught plenty of people this skill set, and I'm sharing this right now because what I try to get people to understand is that while you may while you may be promoting affiliate offers, the real money is in learning the skill sets of affiliate marketing and leveraging those skill sets so that you can serve other entrepreneurs and other businesses and make even more money. Okay, and then it doesn't matter if those affiliate companies go away. It doesn't matter what happens. It doesn't matter if you wake up tomorrow and decide you don't want to promote affiliate offers. You can literally create your own brand, your own offers, your own etc. I'm going to kind of walk you through that. So when I talk about skill sets, okay, so I'm encouraging people, you don't have to necessarily go out and spend thousands of dollars to learn social media marketing, but you need to learn social media marketing, especially in this day and age where everything is becoming digital, where in order to grow your business, you need to be in an online space, right? The good thing about Infinity Processing System is you not only get to come into this membership area and learn how to market on social media, but you have the ability to earn $300, $150, and $50 commissions. Now, if you stay tuned to the end, I'm going to talk to you about how learning these skill sets, Nene was able to turn it into an additional stream. I'm going to actually share what those streams are, but hold with me for a second, okay? So you're able to come into Infinity Processing System. You're able to learn from a multiple six-figure earner. She comes in, she shows you exactly step by step what to do. You get access to a Facebook coaching group. You get access to a Facebook proof group. Okay, both of these are tools and systems to help you get more sales, not only Infinity Processing System, but what you can use these skill sets with whatever you promote. But let's quickly go through what you're going to learn, and I'm going to talk about how you can turn these skill sets into additional income for yourself. So she teaches you things in Infinity Processing System, like how to create automated sales funnel, how to set up a funnel. Simple, right? She goes over how to do that. She goes over what to say when people ask you for information. She goes over how to have a winning mindset, the mindset of an entrepreneur. She goes over how to post simple pre-written ads, simple little posts, like little tiny posts, and be able to get leads from that, lead generation. Okay, that's what most affiliate marketers struggle with, is lead generation and follow up. Okay, she gives you a 7-day action plan for success, so you know exactly what to do on a daily basis. And then you get to come in here and you get to pick what stream or what platform you want to market on. So as you can see, Nene is marketing on Facebook. This is the platform of her choice, and she does a really good job of marketing on Facebook. She learned that platform. Okay, I love YouTube, right? So if you were a person who wanted to do YouTube marketing, you can come in and learn YouTube marketing. And then there's some other ones, TikTok, Instagram, etc., right? And then she shows you how to automate your business with a six-figure system. That's mostly about autoresponders, right? How to set up an autoresponder, the swipes, etc., and you're able to get access to that when you join at Pro. Okay, so these are the things that you're going to learn how to do And these are basic foundational affiliate marketing skill sets you need to learn to be able to grow your business for free without paid ads on social media, leveraging social media marketing. Now let's get back to Nene's post and let's talk about how I taught Nene, and now I'm going to share with you how you can take learning those skill sets, an infinity processing system, and turn it into lifelong skill sets that you can get paid over and over again, even if you decide tomorrow you don't want to be an affiliate marketer. So what a lot of people do is they come online and they literally jump from offer to offer to offer. There's nothing wrong with that, but the problem is if you didn't learn any skill sets on how to market, you can't take your skill sets and turn it into an extra stream of income for yourself. Nene has been learning the skill sets that I'm about to share with you right now, and she's been able to earn 5 figures plus every single month, or 4 to 5 figures every single month from skill sets. Okay, so let me give you an example of some of the things that I showed Nene about 2 years ago, and she's been doing it ever since, right? What I taught them is, for example, when you come into Infinity Processing System, when it says create an automated sales funnel, okay? Once you know how to do that skill set, you can now go into entrepreneurs, groups. You can go and using these same skill sets of how to make simple little mini ads. You can go into entrepreneur groups. You can go into affiliate groups and say, who needs a funnel? You can charge $250 to $350 to set up a funnel, right? You're solving a problem, but you learned how to do it yourself first. You did it in your own business first. Now you're leveraging this skill set and knowledge that you invested in, and you turn it into additional stream of income. That's what I showed Nene how to do. That's what Nene rinse and repeat, and she creates 4 to 5 figures every single month. She still promotes affiliate offers, but whether or not people join her affiliate offers or not, her income never stops. Because she leveraged her skill sets into income. Affiliate skills to cash, right? So you charge people $250 to $350 to set up a simple 2-page funnel, right? There's a lot of people who they want it done. They don't want to do the work. You know how to do it. That's one way, right? Let me give you another example of how you can turn these skill sets into cash. Let's scroll down to where it says automate your business with a 6-figure system. I'm not going to click on it because it's going to reveal the content of the course. You got to pay to get in the course. But in here she goes over how to set up an autoresponder. What does that look like, right? There's a lot of affiliate marketers who are in other make money online opportunities, and they're in work from home groups, make money online groups, and they are struggling with, knowing how to convert their leads into sales. Heck, half of them don't even have a lead system, right? So you can introduce them to your funnel builder. You can come in here. You learned how to automate your own business. And you can say you can charge them a setup fee. You can charge them anywhere from $67 to $97 to set up their 6-figure system for them. Or even better, you can charge them for the swipes. You can create swipes, create a Word doc with swipes and charge $67 to $97, right, for it. So this is what I'm talking about. When you learn the skill sets of affiliate marketing, the money is not in promoting affiliate offers. The money is in learning the skill sets and then leveraging the skill sets and selling those skill sets, right? Done for you offers, right? Another way that Nene makes money, if you look at her post, and there's something else I showed her how to do, and she's just amazing. So if you look at her post, let me actually click on it. She posted about a email course that she created. Let me go find the book that I had told her to read. Let me go find it. I know a lot of people like Russell Brunson, but not a fan. That's just me. Just his style of books and whatever. But I like this book. It's called Trust Funnel. And it teaches you about email marketing and funnels. So I told Nene 2 years ago to read this book. Okay, so she read this book and she learned email marketing, and she, of course, on her own went and learned, additional things, etc. Anyway, she learned it and she created a digital product. So that's another way you can earn is once you learn the skill set, you can create a digital product. Okay, you can create a simple sales page and say anybody who wants to learn digital wants to learn email marketing, I'll do a one-on-one with you. Or anyone who wants to learn email marketing, I'll create this course. And you can charge anywhere from $67 all the way up to $497 on average to teach someone this one little skill set that you learned. So that's what she learned, which is right here in Infinity Processing System, which is how to set up autoresponders. Okay, so I hope you're catching what I'm throwing down, that the value in making money in affiliate marketing is not just in promoting other people's offers. That's how most people start. That's the great thing, is that you can start for a low entry point and you could come in and learn some skill sets, but be committed to learning the skill sets, to applying the skill sets to your business, to picking a platform and mastering it and being consistent on it, because now you can turn that into extra stream of income for yourself. And you could promote people's stuff or not, and you can always make money. And even if you are promoting affiliate offers like Infinity Processing System, like whatever it is that you promote, you can always have a income source that isn't reliant on an affiliate marketing. It's about this knowledge up here and turning that into coins. That's it. If you're ready to join Infinity Processing System, learn these skill sets, link beneath this video and join at Pro. All right, I look forward to welcoming you into the tribe. Bye, guys. Smash that subscribe.